Now let me show you the measuring tool. So if I go to tools, where is the measuring tool, guys? Measuring distance, right over here. Click on it. I could go from 1 point, click, hello, to the next point. And it'll give me my distance over here. My distance was 80.47. We see that? I go tools, I go distance, and I choose the 2 squares. I go from here, click. Come on. Oops, click. Tools, click. Come on. Let's do it again. Tools, measure from here to here. And it gives me a distance of 89.896. That's how we do the distance tool. Okay. Some of you also asked me, are you able to snap in Inventor? The answer is yes. You have, if you click above here, you see we have the 3, the 2, the 2.5, and the 3. These are all known as snaps. So if I go to 2D snap, for example, and it's highlighted, and I try to do the measuring tool again, you see that I have snap options now. See how it's snapping? From here to here. And now I have a distance. Where'd my distance go? From here. Snap is right above here. Snap tool, or press S. So for those of you who are trying to use the snap without waiting for me, you're going to see why it's not working. So look carefully. So again, how do we activate the snap?